been asked to resolve an issue with these windows. It's a really nice product from Morrells. The problem was the fact that there was a bit of a mix-up, so the exterior got sprayed with an interior paint. So before the problem got worse, what we did was we came in and actually sprayed, re-primed 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of Omnia top coat. It was a logistic nightmare. It was a project that we weren't going to take on. It was a project that the carpenter had no solution for. We were asked by Morrells directly because we do a lot of on-site spraying. So this for us, it was a challenge, no two ways about it. As you can see, it's not the best scenario. However, we got the job done. Weather wasn't on our side, but we still got the job done. The client's very happy, and this is the finished result. We'll come back when the job is actually finished, and take some more photos. Spraying on site, makes sense. Cheers guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, do us a favour, punch the subscribe button. Cheers.